What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 4 different ways how to check what Windows version do you have installed on your computer. First way, if you click on Start and then you click on this little gear and it's going to call Settings. And in here, click on Systems. Then scroll down, click on About. And then right here, you will see version 20H2 and OS build 19042. At the time of making this video, this is the latest version. Then the second way, you click on Start and just type System Information and then click on System Information App. This is going to appear, and right here you're going to be able to see version 19042 build, and this is the same that it shows right here. Then the third way, if you click on Start and type CMD, open Command Prompt and type VER and press Enter. And right here, same thing, Microsoft Windows version 10.0.19042. And the fourth and the last way, if you click on Start and you type WinVer and press Enter, and then this window is gonna appear, and the same thing right here, you can see version 20H2 and build, OS build 19042. And this is pretty much it. This is 4 easy ways how to check what Windows version you're currently running. You can choose which way is the easiest for you. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.